is still the launch of the International Year of Sustainable Tourism for Development. And thank you so much for continuing to join us on this live platform. Now, the procession is actually continuing with its journey towards the Harare International Conference Center. So the mayor of the city of Harare, His Worship Bernard Manyanyenyi, gave us a send-off, and the official proceedings shall be happening at the Harare International Conference Center. There are drum majorettes, there are musicians, there are a lot of people, sekalers as well, shall be performing and giving us entertainment in as far as this day is concerned. So join us as we continue to give you footage as it unfolds. So that's the procession, as you can see, led by the Zimbabwe Tourism Authority Chief Executive Officer Mr. Kariko Kakaseke, as well as members from the Tourism Authority, the Hospitality Association of Zimbabwe. Traditional instruments, as you can see from that big lorry there. What a wonderful day it is. The culture is still continuing in present Zimbabwe. This is just a cross section of what's happening on the streets. Jason Moyo